Alright, everybody, temperature review on this video. It's going to be a video of another large car unboxing. I may or may not unbox the items on camera. I'm not really sure. Let's see here. So it's a Hot Wheels package. Let's get this out. What's in here? The tape is pretty loose. Alright. The box is actually pretty frail too. Very interesting stuff. Okay, let's take the rest of the stuff out. So here is the Monoposto. This is from 2002, it looks like. Let me get this open. So we have this one, we have the Monoposto. Then we have this, this is the Too Cool vehicle. We have this car here, this is the Gas Hog. Then we have this, which is the X21J Cruiser. We have the Riddler figure. Now, all these are going to be open probably off camera. We have the Bold Eagle. We have this one, which is the Black Cat. We have the Mazda Autozam. This is the, what is this? This is a flame car that I bought. 40 Ford, 1998 First Editions. We have the Twin Mill 2 from the Mad Maniac series. This is the Racing Champions Cruise Pendragon race car. Looks like the car was open from here. That's interesting. Where is that car? Oh, it's right here. So this is already open. That's okay. We have the Soul Air CX4. Minnie Mouse car. XT3, now this one's kind of already open too, so I'm not going to get that. It's packaging. These blisters are old. Then we have this Trackside. What else do we have in here? We have a lot more in here. We have the MBX Load Lifter. The Monoposto again, in orange this time. Put this over here. We have the Muscle Tone, green. The Volkswagen ID4. This is one of the ones I was really looking forward to getting from this set. Trouble Decker. We have the Turbo Flame. Sweet 16 2, Terrific series. And the last four we have here. I think we have three. I think that's it. This is the last four. Then we have the Wasp, Skull Rider, this 55 Chevy, and we have the Catapult. Now I'm going to open all these off screen, so I'm not going to open them on screen this time because I'm in a pretty big rush. But that's it for my video, guys. Thank you. Have a good day.